All right, this is Hal again at OnMax Host Digital. Today is Thanksgiving Day, and all of us here, my wife, Princess Letitia Maxwell Ngoy, and myself, and the whole OnMax Host Digital team, we give thanks to God for each one of our families. We give thanks for our customers, for our partners. We give thanks for all those that we interact with, we do business with around the world. We thank you because you are part of OnMax Host Digital. Well, today I would like to share with you some updates. If you've been to our website, you will see that we've been introducing some new things right from the homepage. The WordPress resources is a new development at OnMax Host Digital, even though it's been going on for a long time. We specialize and use WordPress as well as some other platforms such as Magento, but WordPress is our primary platform for designing websites and putting your brand on the internet. And so through interactions with many of our customers and the business community, we have realized that there is a need for us to put together a resource center on our website where you can come and find not only information but guidelines and tutorials and recommendations and reviews for some of the tools that are available out there to help you, for those of you who want to design your own website or manage your own websites, or even just to understand how we go about building and creating amazing websites for you. And so you're going to find a WordPress Learning Center. We are also showcasing WordPress page builders such as Elementor, Divi, Breezy, and others, Docan from Web Devs. And so what we're doing is we have used these tools and we bring them and we recommend, we make the job easier for you. And we tell you we will be providing tutorials how to use them. We'll show screen by screen, and we'll be sharing with you a lot of the different aspects of each one of these WordPress page builders. Of course, our favorite is Elementor, and all of them will come with the free version, but also with the pro version. You can still use the free version, but there are certain things that you may not be able to do without the pro version. We also feature a number of themes. As you know, search engine algorithms are changing on a regular basis. I mean, Google makes changes almost 4 times a year, 4,000 times a year. A lot of these Google algorithm updates and other search engines, they are quiet. You don't get to hear about them, but they're happening on a daily basis. For developers and designers, we need to stay up to date with those things because they affect the performance of the client's websites online. And so, but for those of you who are just users that go online and search for stuff, or maybe you have a business and you have a website, it is still difficult to keep up with all these changes. And so we will be providing, from now on, we'll be providing Google algorithms updates. And we will start with the latest one that was published. Google started implementing this a couple of years ago. EAT is the summary of it: expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. And we're incorporating this in our designs, and we also help businesses to bring their content into alignment with these guidelines. These are guidelines that Google has given for the quality, Google quality raters. Is a team of probably 15, 16, I don't know, 20,000 individuals, professionals around the world. You can apply to it and become one of the quality, human quality raters. So they pick up websites and they look at the quality, they assess the quality. So the emphasis is on quality. And again, it brings into emphasis content. So we have the technical aspect of SEO of your website, and we also have the qualitative content aspect of your website. And the goal of search engines is to give the visitors, the searchers, the best customer experience when they come to your website. And so I will begin to explain. It's a document of about 167 pages, and I will be going through each one of those articles and begin to explain and describe, because it's necessary for the community to understand how this is working, because sometimes even our clients don't understand why we insist on doing certain things a certain way. And so everything is going to come out of our website, the Resource Center, the OnMax Host Digital Academy, Knowledge Academy, OnMax Host Digital Knowledge Academy. And so I am inviting you to visit our website and to check the resources. We have a page that showcases and features WordPress themes that we have used, tested, worked with, and so we know them. We're not just repeating what other developers have said. We're familiar with this, such as Elementor, like I said, and Divi, and even WordPress themes. And like I said, because of the changes in the search engine algorithms, there is a focus on a technical aspect of page load speed. And so we've had the old WordPress themes that we've all been using, but they come with a lot of codes, a lot of stuff that may not even be really necessary, and they load the website and make it heavy. And so in order to achieve these needed speeds on the internet, it becomes difficult. But now we have all these WordPress page builders and themes that are light. These are mostly front-end design builders, rather than, I mean, you don't need to know the code. You don't ever have to go to the back of the things to know how to code this and how it works. If you need that, then you can contact an expert. But these are drag and drop blocks and templates that have been created that you can use and customize in your own way. And you can see it's called visual design. And we are presenting these things to you, so, and giving you a technical analysis of them and the functional analysis of them and the training of them, and explaining the different elements and also the different plugins that you use. If you have an e-commerce or online store website, then we'll be analyzing and presenting and recommending and giving reviews of different plugins that we know you need. There's over almost 50,000 plugins, WordPress plugins out there. Now, how do you get to know which one to use? Trial and errors. You don't have time for that. And so these themes and these page builders are light, and you can achieve incredible page load speeds with this, because you've heard the talk that very soon Google Chrome browser will begin to notify internet website visitors that this page is slow loading, in the same way that they are beginning to notify website visitors that this website is not secured, which means that it doesn't have an SSL certificate to do the encryption of the data exchanged between the website and the website visitors. So search engines are beginning to become a little bit forceful in pushing the community, business community and internet community into adopting best practices. I mean, this is truly for my own good, but search engines are committed to the searchers, the users. And so they beginning to warn them, be careful when you go there. You know, if somebody searches and your website comes up and Google say, okay, based on the content I presented to you this website, but based on security, I'm giving you a warning. And so, in fact, they will begin to push such websites to the bottom of the search results. And so it is in the interest of our customers and our clients and all those out there that want a website to become aware of this. And so we also have a blog, we'll be publishing articles, and we have an email. And so I just want to encourage you to check on our website and see some new development. And I will be providing tutorials and I will provide a schedule, but you will also see a link to our YouTube channel, and you can go there and you can subscribe to the channel. You can like and comment, ask questions, and participate in the conversation. We're just looking to share knowledge. Now, on our website, as well as on our YouTube channel and on our blog articles, we also share links to these web page builders and WordPress themes to their websites. For the sake of disclosure and transparency, OnMax Host Digital is also an affiliate to many of them, which means that if you click from the link that we provide and you go there and purchase, we will earn some small commission on that, on your purchase. But that is not our primary motive. In fact, you don't have to click from our links. But if you want to help us, we're providing free knowledge, we're providing free resources, we invest a lot of time in making sure that we understand and we compare and we come and give you a recommendation and give you knowledge, free tutorials. So we want you to help us do that. Now, when you click on the link, I would also like to encourage you, if possible, open the link in incognito or secret mode, okay? Incognito mode or safe mode or of your browser, because maybe you've already visited, let's say, Elementor.com, and now you click from me, they've already captured you and placed a cookie on you. And so when you go there, they will not connect you necessarily with our company. So if you really desire to, show appreciation to the work we're doing for the community, open this in incognito or safe mode or secret mode, and then click the link from there, and then work through your purchase. Now, for many of our clients, we're already incorporating this Elementor, which is personally, it's my favorite page builder, into our design. We committed to building design, beautiful, amazing designs for our clients. But we also want to make sure that the speed, we just did a website and the speed is about, I think it was like 200 or 300 milliseconds, something like that. So we're achieving tremendous excellent speed for our customers already. And you will also find a resource, which is our managed WordPress hosting platform. And I will be talking more about that and provide guidelines and how-tos and the benefits of hosting with OnMax Host Digital. You've heard about all these others, WP Engine and SiteGround and all of those ones, but you will be surprised to learn that our speed, in fact, beats some of those those companies, and you will see that on our website. And so we provide a lot of advantage, benefits. We have 24/7 customer support, technical support. We also have localized technical support team in 55 locations across the world. So if you live in Spain, you will call a technical support number in Spain that will speak in Spain to you. If you're in Brazil, you will get a Portuguese tech support team that will answer your questions. So we're localizing our support, and the goal is to give our clients around the world the best customer experience on our website with our company. In fact, South Africa we also have a localized support team in South Africa. And so when you call those numbers, they're on our website. If you go to our global support page, you will see those numbers, and you can see the hours, and you can click and call if you are in one of those countries. And another update I'm giving here is, but still we also provide a WhatsApp number that anybody out there in another country, in another location that we haven't yet established a technical support presence, you can still call us here. You can chat with us. We have a chat line on our website on the lower right hand side corner of your screen. There's a blue button there. If you click there, put your email address, put your phone number if you want us to call you back outside of the hours, and leave us a message, and we will respond quickly to you. We have a knowledge base where you can read articles about different aspects of our domain registration and hosting. And so we have put together all these resources, and we're believing that you will find them very beneficial and very interesting and very helpful. And so again, be prepared to begin seeing a lot of activities geared at helping the community, helping the WordPress community. We will show you how to build a WordPress website from start to finish, including an e-commerce website, and we'll show you how different tools work. We'll tell you about those tools, and we compare many of them. And our goal is to give you, our visitors, our community, our audience, power. Knowledge is power, to be able to make the right choices so you can create the website you always desired. Now listen, even beginners can do this. You don't need to learn codes or to be a developer, to have developer skills. You can do this, and we're committed to helping you. All right, thanks a lot, and please leave me a comment at the bottom of this video. You will find several links that point to several of these resources. If you don't find something that you're looking for, feel free to contact us, and we will be happy to guide you. Again, as we go towards the end of the year, we're planning a big explosion for next year, 2020. We speak the same over your business, over your life, over your efforts and your endeavors online. We pray and speak blessings over your lives and everything concerning you and your families, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you.